Hello again. We're doing SpellTime06. We're on page 13 and we're looking at rule number 20. I'm sure when you were in school, or if you're still in school now, you'll have learned the rule I before E except after C. Well, the trouble with rules in English is that they're not reliable. Sometimes you can trust them, sometimes you can't. But today you can, all right? Often it's true to say I before E except after C. Let's look at some examples. Receive, that is spelled R-E-C-E-I-V-E. So in this case, because it's after C, you don't say I-E, you say E-I. Deceit, D-E-C-E-I-T. After C, the E comes before the I. Otherwise, it's normally I before E. How about conceit? C-O-N-C-E-I-T. So it's following the rule. So far, we're okay. Receipt. You know, if you pay for something, you get a receipt. R-E-C-E-I-P-T. Well, that word follows the rule, but just to make life difficult for you, they slip in a P that you don't pronounce. Receipt. Again, E-I, because it's after C. We have deceive, that's the same sort of thing. Let's look at some of the words where we have the I before the E. We have grieve, G-R-I-E-V-E. There's no C there. Believe, B-E-L-I-E-V-E. I before E, except after C. There's no C there, it's an L, believe. Liege, that's a word. My liege, my lord, my master. Liege. L-I-E-G-E. No C again, so we have the I before the E. There's a word that's very common. Niece, my niece. I remember when I was at school I could never spell it, but it follows the rule I before E except after C. So it's N-I-E-C-E, niece. I suppose it's that C that comes afterwards that's a bit confusing, but the I becomes before the E except after C. And we have piece, you know, a piece of bread, a piece of wood. That's P-I-E-C-E, piece. So when we have a C, the E comes before the I. When we don't have a C, the I comes before the E. I before E except after C. Shall we look at a sentence? Here is the receipt if you do not believe me. You know, you've gone to the store and they always ask you for a receipt. Here is the receipt if you do not believe me. And the last one, I could not conceive but that my niece would grieve to see him leave. I could not conceive my niece would grieve to see him leave. I bet you can't write that one. It's far too long. Look it up in the book. I'll see you again soon. Okay? That's all for now. Bye.